Hi, in this video, I'm going to fix your hunchback just in 90 seconds. Well, this was a false claim because nobody in the world can fix your hunchback just in 90 seconds. But the truth is, if you do this exercise just for 90 seconds every single day, then yes, definitely you will be able to fix your hunchback, whether you are in your early 40s, 50s, 60s, etc. So what is this exercise? I'm going to share with you in this video. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Let's begin. Friends, your posture determines your age, your mental state, your emotional and physical well-being. Hence, it's very important that you have to take care of your posture as you age. Hunchback is one of the most common challenge that every elder faces in their lifetime, and it can be very easily managed if right exercises, right mindset and right practices are in mind. So what is this one exercise that I'm talking about? Let's see. So the first thing that I will do here is to test my balance and hunchback abilities. Now, how to do that? I'm going to stand against a wall and see if I am able to stand erect, touch my head on the wall, shoulders blades back and hip erect. If I am able to do so, that means my hunchback is correctable and I can do the exercises. If your hunchback is not correctable, you won't be able to touch your head on the wall and you won't be able to stand erect while touching your shoulders on the wall. So if this test is positive, if you are able to touch your head, your shoulders, your back on the wall, then you can do this exercise. Now let me show you what is that exercise. The first exercise is the test itself. You have to stand erect, touching your head on the wall for 30 seconds. And then come back. Once your 30 seconds are done, then it's time to move on to the second exercise that again you will do for 30 seconds. For the next 30 seconds, what you are going to do is stand against the wall again, make a W and just glide your hands up and down like this at the count of 10. Or else do this for 30 seconds. So that was your second exercise that you can do under 90 seconds. And now is the third and the last thing that you can do for another 20 seconds to correct your hunchback posture. And that is single leg standing with as erect body as possible. So stand as erect as possible, make yourself erect, open up your chest, place one hand like this, stand for another 10 counts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come back. Shift your leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come back. Stand for 10 seconds. And again, stand for another 10 seconds. And these were your 3 exercises that you can do under 90 seconds to fix your hunchback. Now, if you are someone who has got some severe hunchback, if you are not able to stand erect against the wall like this and you are still finding it fixed, your spine is fixed like this, then what to do? Let me show you exercises for that as well. If you have got a severe hunchback, then you might have to do this exercises in sleeping position. So just lie down, bend your knees, keep your hand on side like this. And now try to make that W exercise for 30 seconds. Similarly, for the next exercise, raise your hands up like this and then bring your hands down. Do this again for 20 counts or else 30 seconds. And now it's turn for the third exercise. Here you have to be in a position where your spine gets ability to elevate, and hold this position for 10 to 20 seconds. So friends, this is how just by spending 90 seconds daily in practicing correcting your hunchback, you would be able to fix your hunchback, no matter at what age you are. Remember, the sooner you start, the better will be the effectiveness. By the way, do you suffer from hunchback, and what are the exercises and practices you do to correct your hunchback? I'm very much keen to know that. So why don't you comment on our comment section and let us know what are the exercises that you do to correct or prevent your hunchback. And if you feel that you have some other challenges related to your posture, musculoskeletal, joint or ache related issues, then also leave a comment. Our team is constantly active on checking and reading your comments and making sure that we are able to reach out to you. On that note, I'll end this video here. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press that bell icon so that you can get notified every single time we upload a new video. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.